Good morning students. In the previous class we have discussed about different number system conversion, that is decimal to any other number system and any other number system to decimal number system. In today's class we discuss about binary to octal conversion. When converting from binary to octal we need to follow these steps. In first step we need to divide the given binary digit into group of 3 bits starting from your right to left and convert each group of binary digit into one octal digit. Say I repeat again, divide the binary given digits into group of 3 bits. Why we take here group of 3 bits means by adding those 3 bits we will get the range of values, octal range, that is 0 to 7. In octal we have total 8 bits, that is from 0 to 7. If we consider only 3 bits, it will make you the value of 7. So we will consider only 3 bits in octal system and convert each group of binary digits into one octal digit. So we will see different problems based on these conversions. Before going into this, we will design one table for binary equivalent value for the given octal values. Now I will take octal values and we'll find what is the binary equivalent value for the given octal values. So I told binary values in octal will take only 3 bits starting from left to right, that we have, that is only 3 bits, that is from 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. Only these 3 bits will consider for octal range. So 2 power 2 will become 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 will become 2 and 2 power 2 is 4. See, by adding all these 3 bits we will get value as 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we will get the octal range total 7. Total number of digits present in octal system is 8, but while writing will start from 0, that is 0 to 7. So by adding all these terms we will get the octal range is 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So now I will write octal values. Octal values start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the octal values. Now we will find out the binary equivalent value for 0. So for 0 I will write 0. By default it will be 0 because we don't have any digits here. So 0. For 1 place 1 in place of 1 and remaining places you put 0. So it will give you 1. For 2 in place of 2 will place 1 and remaining places 0. So this is the binary equivalent value for octal 2. For 3, by adding 2 plus 1 will get value 3. So in place of 2 and 1 will put 1 1 and this place 0. See, by adding this 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the octal equivalent value for binary. And 4, in place of 4 write 1 and remaining places is 0. So 4. And for 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 plus 1. In 2 place we will put 0. It will become 4 plus 1 is 5. For 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 and in one place it will be 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. For 7, 1, 1, 1. Because 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So it will become 7. See, I repeat again. For 0 it will be 0, 0, 0. For 1 it is 0, 0, 1 because this one. And for 2 in place of 2 I place it as 1. In remaining places it will be 0. And for 3 by adding 2 and 1 we will get the value as 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and for 4 it is 4. 5 1 0 1 is a binary value for octal and for 6 1 1 0, for 7 1 1 1. So this is your table you need to remember for while converting the binary to octal digits. We will see different problems based on these conversions. Consider this as an example problem. So this is a binary digits. Now this should be converted to octal. So what we need to do, we need to divide the binary number into group of 3 bits. That is starts from right to left. So now I will start from this. Consider this 1 1 1 0 1 1 triple 1. So now I divide this number into group of 3 bits. 1 2 3. So I divide this number. Now again 3 bits. 1 2 3. 3 groups, and this is 1 2 3. Now after dividing this, write the equivalent value of this the binary equivalent octal equivalent value for this given digits. That is 1 1 1. The equivalent value for 1 1 is 7. Now write down 7. Next 0 1 1. So the octal equivalent value for the binary digit 0 1 1 is 3. So I will write 3. For triple 1 again 1 1 1. The octal equivalent value is 7. So now combining these 3 values we will get one octal value, that is 737 base 8. So now we will see one more example. This is one more example. So this binary digit should be converted to octal. So now take this binary values 10 1 00 10 1. Now divide this binary digits into group of 3, starting from your right to left. So I will take 3 digits 1 0 1 as one group. Again consider 1 0 1 as one more group. Now here we have only 2 digits. To make this into group of 3 bits, we can add 0 towards your left. So by adding this 0, it will not change the value of the given binary digit. So if the digit is not sufficient for making a group of 3 bits, we can add 0 to the left. So before, if we have a decimal point or binary point here, after the point we can add the zeros towards the right side. But here we don't have any fractional values, so we can add the zeros towards your left. So by adding this 0, it will not change the value of the given binary digit. Now it has become group of 3 bits. Now consider each group of bits and take the octal equivalent value for each individual groups. Now consider 0 1 0. Now see what is the octal equivalent value for 0 1 0. So 0 1 0. So the octal equivalent value for 0 1 0 is 2. Next take another group, that is 1 0 0. Now find out what is the octal equivalent value for the binary digit 1 0 0. See 1 0 0 is 3. So write 3. Next we have 1 0 1. Find out the octal equivalent value for 1 0 is 4. It is not 3. 1 0 0 is 4. Next 1 0 1. 1 0 1 is 5. Now combine these digits 2 40